Hi everyone and welcome to CodingZest.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can run Python program in Visual Studio Code, and in the last of this video I will also run two sample Python program in VS Code. So let's get started. First of all, we need to download and install Python in our machine. So just open up your browser, search for Python download, or you can copy a link from the description. To open this website, simply click on download Python and it will download the python.exe. Okay guys, so our download is complete. Now I will right click on this, show in folder, and I will just simply run this as administrator. Click on yes, and let me minimize all these things. Okay, from here select the customize installation, check all these boxes, click on next and check install for all users, and also check add Python to environment variable, so it will add the environment variables automatically. And we will simply copy this Python name from here and we will change the location. So simply click on browse this PC, go to C, and here click on make new folder and paste their name here. Now click on OK, and the path will be something like this. Click on install and it will take some time. Okay guys, so as you can see here, setup was successful, and now we will click on this close, and now we will check if our Python is installed correctly or not. So simply open up your CMD or command prompt and simply type Python and hit enter, and congratulations, you have installed Python correctly on your Windows 10 machine. Now we will close this command prompt from here and we will open the VS Code. And if you don't know how to download and install VS Code, so you can find the link to that video in the description. Okay, now here we need to add two extensions. So first one is code runner, and open this first one. Okay, and as you can see here, it is already installed here, and if it is not installed on your VS Code, so you can simply click on install, so it will be installed on your VS Code. Now I will close this, and the second one is Python. Okay, simply search for Python and open this first one and click on this install. Okay guys, so our installation is complete. Now I will close this and I will go to files and I will click on this file. I will select new text file and I will save it on my desktop, and I will name it sample1.py. so the sample1 is our file name and .py is our Python extension, so don't forget to add this extension in the last. Click on save and let me zoom it. I will just simply type a print here and I will print subscribe CodingZest. Okay, I will save it. Don't forget to save it first to run the program, and simply click on this run code, or the shortcut is Ctrl plus Alt plus N. So I will just simply click on this, and now as you can see here, our code is running. Subscribe CodingZest. So now I will create a new file and I will save it and I will name it sample2.py, and I will save it and I will type some code to take input from user. So okay, we need to save first and we will run it again, and as you can see here, we will type name here. So I will just simply type coding and last name will be Zest and your name is CodingZest. And let me tell you one thing, if you are unable to type name here or type anything here inside this terminal, so you need to open the VS Code settings, click on this settings gear and go to settings and search for run in terminal. and scroll a little bit down and you will find this code runner settings here for run in terminal. So this box will be unchecked, so you need to check it. Okay, so I will check it again and then close the setting and run the program again. So and then you will be able to type inside this terminal. So that's how you can install and run Python in your VS Code on your Windows 10 machine. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel and the bell notification option is on so you won't miss the upcoming videos.